Hi there, Gary here from the Australian Cleaning and Restoration Academy and Restore Solutions. This is a message for all the guys and girls at the CCAWA Association for your annual meeting. Sorry I could not be there this year. We've just completed a structural drawing course at I'm up in Mackay, the Coach 8 house. So I've completed that hands-on structural drying course where we flood a house with a couple of thousand litres of water and we teach people how to dry it fast, and we teach them about mould and thermography and moisture detection and water damage. So it's a phenomenal training course. So I just finished that course. So a little bit about us, a little bit about my company, and a little bit of how we can help. So the Restore Solutions started back in 2015, as well as the Australian Cleaning and Restoration Academy. So what were we before that? So I've been in the industry full time since 1995. I had a successful business from about a one-man band show as a contractor. I was a wage earner to a multi-van operation. So in my last business that I had before this was a cleaning and restoration business. We were about $3 million a year. Just in the Carboclinic division, I think we were about $1.8 million at one stage. We had a big rug cleaning plant as well. We did a lot of rugs. So a little bit about my training and so forth. I used to be an instructor through the Australian Cleaning and Restoration Academy for Carboclinic 2005 to 2007. As well as that, I'm a master textile cleaner and master restorer through the IRCRC. And, I've done a lot of training after that as well. I'm also a master rug cleaner through the Master Rug Cleaning Association over there in Dallas, Texas. I obtained that. I was the first one in Australia to obtain that in 2010. Since then, I've done a lot of training through the British Damage Management Association in the UK and American Drying Institute, Hydrolab in Indiana. So I've done a lot of other training other than just IRCRC. So from there, we built a big business and we sold it. Now we like to educate and help other people's businesses, as well as we've got a supply company. So our education company is all about helping people in their business. We do a lot of training in-house. We come to you and train you and your team from carpet, upholstery, and a lot of structural drying training as well, and rugs and hard floors and so forth. And a little bit of consultancy with that as well. And then the Restore Solutions, what we do at Restore Solutions is, a lot of the suppliers in this industry want to bring equipment back from China or equipment back from America. What we tend to do is find the best of the best from Europe. So that's our goal, is to find the best of the best from Europe. So at Restore Solutions, what we've got, these are the brands that we have. So we started off with, moisture detection. So we have, with Restore Solutions, we have Trotec, who in Germany. Now Trotec, they're part of the Dantherm group now. And they're about 600 million euro company. So they're a huge company that supplies in the world of the cleaning and restoration world. So we have instruments from Trotec, HF Sensors, Garn in Germany as well, and we also stock Tremex from Ireland. So 3 German companies, one from Ireland. So we have the rights to the first 3 companies, Trotec, HF Sensors, and Garn. We're the Australian distributors for those products. And also we have a lot of instruments with Trotec, from particle counters to borescopes and and some infrared cameras and so forth. Then we've got an infrared camera range which is from Hike Micro. So Hike Micro, for this industry, we're the only ones selling in the restoration industry for Hike Micro. They do come from China, but they're a phenomenal brand. Hikvision is part of their brand. They do have a very, 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 very good camera, very good warranty. They've got a big range of cameras for infrared. From there, we have a range of air movers. Now, all of our equipment, we like to get it RCM compliant. So we want to make sure our equipment is safety approved. So we go through getting all of our equipment is safety approved for the country. Now, there's a lot of equipment that has come to this country that isn't safety approved. So we like to get it RCM compliant. So that way it's got the triangle with the tick in the middle. They've got that global mark of saying it's, it's gone through all the safety testing for Australia, and it's passed. So there's a lot of equipment that doesn't do that, where we like to have all of that ticked. So we have a range of air movers, so a couple of different types of centrifugal air movers, to a ventilator, to a radial flat fan, and also we have axial fans. So we do carry a lot of stock of fans. We normally carry 1,000 to 1,500 fans at any one time. From there, we have a lot of heat drying equipment from Drymatic. So we were the innovators of this product, brought it to Australia, and we've certainly helped develop this product. It comes from Wales, so from target heat drying to large area drying. So if you want to look at some of the videos about that on the Australian Cleaning and Restoration Academy website, under the Floodhouse course, you'll see a range of videos where we take from the Floodhouse 2 each day, so you see some of the heat drying stuff there in action. So the Drymatic stuff would be one of the biggest selling brands here in Australia for restoration. It's almost selling $2 million a year, so it's a very, very solid brand for the industry. Heat is certainly a great way to raise your surface temperatures of your materials, release the moisture and dry things a lot faster. So people always say to me, why would I need heat drying? The conventional way they've been drying, it's been working for years. Okay, show me how you do moisture detection. Then they show me how they do moisture detection, go, well, you're not checking stuff properly. Oh, so it doesn't matter what you use, you're just not checking it anyway, so it doesn't matter, just open the window. Oh, so then they actually buy some decent moisture detection equipment and start to find some moisture. And then they go, well, we're leaving stuff wet. Correct. So Drymatic is certainly a great part of the industry. So from there, we've got a range of dehumidification. So we've got Trotec dehumidifiers from Germany. We've got Halo from Germany. Both of them are an offshoot from the Dantherm group. We've also got Ariel in Germany, again, an offshoot from the Dantherm group. So we've got some 3 fundamental brands there. We've also have X-Power here that we get from Australia, but those first 3 brands, we have the solid rights to those products. So, we're out there searching all the time for the best of the best products from Europe, bring them back to Australia. So from there, we've got containment. So we've got curtain wall, which is it's a modular system. So all of this stuff that I'm talking about is all on this website, and I like to have instructional videos. So if you go onto my website and you go to the video section, you'll find that every single product has a video explaining the product, and also has a video to instruct you on how to set it up or how to use it. So that particular product, we have curtain wall, which is a modular system to create containment walls, and we also have hay wall, which is an offshoot from Halo, and that is also a containment wall. We also have zip wall. And then we also have Reuse Zip. Reuse Zip is a reusable zipper, and it has reusable magnetic zippers as well. So they are a phenomenal product, and we have the rights to all those products. Zipwall, we share the rights to that product. So we're always, again, searching all the time, trying to find the best products. When it comes to our chemistry side of things, we have a range of Carboclinic products I helped develop in 1997 here in Australia. From pre-sprays to emulsifier to acid rinse to deodorizer. So, we've got a pre-spray for wool, has wool softeners and a peach fragrance. We have, it's called pH ProHense 10, pH8 ProHense 8, and we also have pH 10 ProHense 10. It's for, your nylon carpets, and it's got a citrus fragrance. And then we have one that's called ProHense 12, pH 12. It's for your acrylics and your polypropylenes, your really dirty, commercial style carpets. So that particular product. Then we have a great emulsifier that we have running through our machinery, and we have an acid rinse and deodorizer that they can spray on after. So also we have a great odor product called Odor Free. Now, our odor product from Odor Free is a phenomenal product. It is from Protox in Denmark. It's an active bacteria product, great for any types of protein-style odors in your carpets or fabrics. So with that Protox brand, we also have a range of mold remediation products, from mold cleaners to an encapsulation product to mold stain removers to mold protection products. And we also have a great fire cleaning and fire cleaning product and degreasing based product as well. Fire cleaning product is phenomenal. From all of these products come from Protox in Denmark. So again, finding the best of the best from Europe. We also have a range of great air scrubbers and air purifiers. We have hydroxyl generators we sell. That's a fantastic, hydroxyls is what the sun makes, so air passing through UV light with water vapor creates a free radical called a hydroxyl. So that's a phenomenal product. We also have great air purifiers. So we have air scrubbers. So we have from Halo in Germany, Trotec in Germany, and also we have from Husqvarna. So we sort of helped get Husqvarna off the ground here. It was developed by Pullman Ermator in Sweden. Husqvarna has now rebadged that product, and we also sell their range of HEPA vacuums that we use for mold remediation. So we sell their complete range of wet and dry vacuums, as well as HEPA vacuums, as well as their air scrubber range. So that's sort of our range that we have for the industry. From plastics to tapes, anything you want in the restoration side of the industry. Now, what we tend to do is a little different from the other suppliers. We actually like to educate you on the job. So we will do video phone or photos or whatever we can do to help you understand how to use the equipment to its best ability. We also have the backing of the training academy to help train people on how to do the work. So we're very much hands-on with our customers rather than selling the product and see you later. And we've never done the work before. Well, yeah, we have, and certainly we want to help our clients achieve their goals. So that's a little bit of an overview about Restore Solutions and the Australian Cleaning and Restoration Academy. But certainly we're out there to help. We're out there to help any of the members with any of their either restoration jobs that they might have, or training needs, or any questions they might have. Certainly we're here to help. So let us know what we can do to help you. We know some of the members. We'd like to know more of them and how we can help them in their business. But mate, I hope you guys have a fantastic day today, and I hope the weather's good. So thanks very much for listening to me. I hope I haven't rattled on too much, but it was certainly just an introduction about a little bit about us. And check out our website, restoresolutions.com.au, and cleaningrestorationacademy.com.au, and you'll certainly know a little bit more about us by checking them out. And thanks very much for your time.